This luxury lakefront stone cottage is now for sale in Denville. It is located on a quiet, deep water section of the Lake Arrowhead Community. This home has been totally restored and renovated with integrity. It features a cathedral ceiling and oak beams, giving it an old-world charm. Just look at this exceptional living and entertaining space with this amazing open first floor. The heart of this home is the kitchen, featuring custom leathered granite with quartz veining. This matches the custom hearth upon the fireplace. Wood tones, bright natural finishes and hushed paint tones create an element of serenity. The stainless appliances are top-notch, with an electric induction cooktop and high-end oven in this adorable nook. The surrounding windows just spill light into this minimal, elegant space. A myriad of reclaimed materials and the original chandelier grace the dining room, which is framed by the open staircase. A charming bench seat is tucked into the corner of the living room. A floor-to-ceiling wood burning fireplace anchors the room and lends a touch of authenticity to this updated classic. This view from upstairs only underscores the amazing workmanship and materials used in this renovation. Antique stained glass, built right into the railing, and an on-trend sliding barn door grace the upstairs landing. The second-floor master bedroom features charming yet functional nooks built into the roofline as well as a full wall of windows to let in light. The adjacent full bath features yet more reclaimed materials and an amazing shower. The heated tile floor is a fine touch as well. Back on the first floor is the spacious bedroom, which could also function as a second master. The first floor bathroom is bright and fresh as well. A third bedroom offers yet another versatile space, featuring the same lovely wood floors seen throughout the home. Downstairs is a spacious family room with a pellet stove and wood bar, just perfect for entertaining. It provides more cozy pockets of snuggle space in the home. Step into the sunroom to enjoy lake views. A one-car garage rounds out the home, with great landscaping and more stonework. The outdoor living spaces are perfect for gathering friends and family. The large lot with expansive lakefront property provides the best of lake life with deep water and a new dock. Lake Arrowhead is a desirable, vibrant community. Come down to the lake for some filled days of fun for kids of all ages. It is located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. The town of Denville, known as the hub of Morris County, is a great little town located only 40 miles from New York City. Take a stroll down Broadway or Main Street, both filled with a variety of restaurants and shops, that all add to the small town charm. Denville also has seasonal street festivals and holiday parades down Broadway that have been enjoyed by local families for years. The town is conveniently located near major highways, and easy access to buses and trains make it ideal for commuters.